We'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox folder. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com login with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Dropbox homepage. Look towards the left-hand side of the screen where you see the menu options. Click on the Files tab to access your file directory. In the main Files area, there's a blue button that says New Folder. Click on this button. A small dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a name for your new folder. Type in the name you want to use, something descriptive that makes it easy to organize your files. After you've entered the name, click Create, or press Enter on your keyboard. Your new folder will now appear in the list of files and folders. To move files into this folder, simply drag and drop them from your file list into the folder. Or you can click on the Upload button at the top right, if you need to upload new files directly into this folder. If you want to share the folder with someone, hover over the folder name and you'll see a Share button appear. Click on it, and a dialog will pop up where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with, along with a message if desired. You can also set permissions to allow others to edit or just view the folder contents. Once done, click Share. And that's it. Creating and sharing folders in Dropbox is an easy way to keep your files organized and accessible. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.